Why is iMessage sending from email instead of phone number? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can figure out why is iMessage sending from email instead of phone number and how you can switch it back to the phone number. So make sure to stick with me till the end. So if iMessage is basically sending itself from email instead of phone number, to fix it is very simple. You just open the settings application, then you scroll down and look for the messages app here and then just tap on it. And under iMessages here you can see option called send and receive. So just tap on send and receive, and here you will be able to see your phone number, email address, phone number, email address. The reason your iMessage is basically sending from, let's say, email address instead of phone number is because your email address is selected here instead of phone number. So what you got to do is just uncheck this email and then just check the number, and in receiving iMessage to and reply from, also uncheck the email address and switch it to phone number. That way whenever you start a new conversation or whenever you respond, it will be responded from your phone number instead of email. So that's the thing you want to understand, and this way you should be able to solve if iMessage is sending from email instead of phone number. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.